dito sa bahay. This is the dining room. You can see this is the food area. We eat here every night and every morning and breakfast and lunch and dinner. This is the bathroom. This is so small, but it's okay. Then this is the shower. This is a bathroom. This is my room. Ito yung room ko. Makalat pa kasi. Ito yung bedroom namin sa taas. Ano, makikita mo, hindi ito yung kama namin. Yan yung place ko. Hindi ko sinaayos kasi ano mo. Ito yung dollhouse ko. Yung iba kong mga stuffed toys. Ito yung chandelier. Ito po pala ang carton ng ate ko. Ng ate ko. This is my computer but someone's working at that. Ito yung pen. Doon na tayo sa baba. Ito yung living room namin. Masyadong mahal.
Oh.
Tapos, this is the kitchen. You can see it's so big. And we have a hallway. This is our plates and everything.